This is King's Hawaiian Bakery and Restaurant. Just ordered a bunch of to-go food. And of course the breads. What is that? Oh, strawberry cheese, Danish coffee cake. Man, they need to sell these in the grocery stores, not just the rolls. Butter pound cake. Then of course we got the combo food. Alright, so King Hawaiian, we got some fried rice to try. We got the mixed plate, so it has teriyaki beef, pork, I think huli chicken, and then it comes with their potato mac salad and lami salmon, which I think kind of looks like some type of ceviche, maybe. And then dessert, that's why we're gonna split that. This is a chocolate banana pie, the Hawaiian bread pudding, and then this is a banana mac berry. So macadamia nuts, banana, and berries, strawberry, chocolate. Yeah, can't wait to try. Yeah, I know. So this is the banana mac berry. So macadamia nuts, there's banana and strawberry and chocolate. Are we trying that one first?
Yeah.
First you gotta move this big strawberry.
With the chocolate drizzle.
That's a good strawberry. Alright. So banana macadamia nut. Like a shortbread cookie crust on the bottom.
And it's coated with chocolate. See? A layer of chocolate.
Yeah, that's good. You can try it. What's the next one?
The next one is
chocolate
banana. If I can get it open. There we go.
Alright. Oh, you could see the
bananas.
Layers of banana and chocolate. Wow. Really tastes the bananas. Between those two, I'd prefer that one. But,
what would you rate them?
Maybe a 5 and a 6.
So you don't like them that well.
They're alright. It's just, you know, so far I haven't found anything that would beat the one in Key West.
It's totally different. One's sweet.
Totally different kind of pies, yes.
Okay. It's good.
Alright, maybe a 7 on that one. But I'm going to stick with a 5 on that one. Kind of tastes almost bitter. Maybe the chocolate. But with the meal, I forgot, you get like a 4-pack of the Hawaiian rolls. So, that's pretty neat. We buy those from the grocery store all the time. So what do you think about the chocolate banana one?
I definitely like the strawberry better.
Yep, I do too. That's why 7 and a 5.
I'd give it a 6.
The chocolate?
Yeah.
Their bakery was busy. I mean, like, crazy packed in there. So I'm going to try the bread pudding, which I like. This is made from the Hawaiian bread, so. It needs some kind of glaze, I think. It tastes cinnamon. Actually, actually that bread pudding we had at that Cajun restaurant in Texas, I like better. But it could be because it had that sauce on it too. Anyway, if you live by King Hawaiian's Bakery and Restaurant and have not tried it, you should definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching.